100-mile meals, aiming the camera at everything fresh, tasty, and local. You've heard the story of a Silicon Valley company born and tested in the backyard of a home or garage, and then making it big. That is the legend of the Smoking Pig.
After all the cycles in the semiconductor industry over 30 years, finally the last downturn, I said, I've had enough. I don't want to do this anymore. So I talked to my wife, and God bless her, she said, let's do it. And so I started out learning how to barbecue at that time. I had no previous knowledge or experience. I was the guy who dipped the chicken in barbecue sauce, put it over the flame, and watched it burn. That was my extent of my expertise.
In just a few years, the Smoking Pig has added 2 more locations to the original comfy spot Paul started with on 4th Street, the newest near the Avaya Stadium near the airport, and the largest on Maury Avenue in Fremont, known for the trademark ample servings, ample parking, and regular live music on weekends, such as Lydia Pence and Cold Blood.
A reporter from the Mercury News came in, had the peanut butter pie, wrote an article about us that I didn't know about. Next day we had a line out the door. We disappointed every one of those customers because we couldn't fulfill the orders, right? Eventually we started getting more and more people on board, filling out the menu with more sides, always keeping the 5 basic meats, and then more sides and desserts, all handmade. And eventually we started getting awards. We came in second in our first 4 months in business in the Metro Best of Silicon Valley. And from then on, we've been first for the next 5 years.
In a hurry-up world fueled by microprocessing, Paul says the secret of processing great barbecue is simple. Patience, quality meats, quality oak. And did I say patience?
I guess the philosophy that we decided to use works, which is honest cooking at the fairest price we could possibly do based upon cost. You know, cook it honestly, create it by hand, use the best ingredients possible, and that's worked out.
So, taste for yourself the Silicon Valley startup that has risen to top 5 status on TripAdvisor in a very short time. The Smoking Pig offers catering, pickup, and delivery orders. Nice options if you need the mouth-watering barbecue from the Smoking Pig, but want to leave the patience part to Paul and Company. Brought to you by Performance Food Service Ledyard. And by Flowers Foods, Custom Culinary, and R3,